Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get more diamonds in 99 nights in the forest in Roblox. So here, if you build 50 structures, you'll get 50 diamonds. If you get 50 50 pelt drops, you'll get 5 diamonds. And if you cook using the crock pot station, you'll get more diamonds. And then if you kill 50 enemies near a teammate, you'll get 5. So that is 20 diamonds. I know that's not 600, but the way you can collect more diamonds is if you open up chests and if you get lucky, or if you open up the chest in the castle where the cult lives. I'm not sure what it's called, but I haven't been in there. You'll need to you'll need to be able to get a lot of weapons first before you try to get in, because they will attack you, and there is actually like a lot of them. Basically what diamonds are for, they're for the class shop. Is this okay? So I can only right now become a camper, but there's others that you can choose from. There's support band with another player at the start of the game, and you'll get a bandage at the start. There's hunter, there's decorator. Okay, I think this one's new. Fisherman, farmer, etc. But yeah, that is pretty much it. You'll need to have to play this game a lot if you want to get those diamonds, and you need to play when there's like the ×2 diamond weekend. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. You can also get it from these, I think, if I'm not mistaken, by completing these badges. So that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.